So ChatGPT just rolled out another feature, and I don't know if you guys have it, but it just dropped into my account. And this new feature will actually save us from copying and pasting paragraphs or any bits and pieces from whatever ChatGPT has written for us that we want to say being rewritten or something done with it. Let me show you very quickly how it works. It's super easy, and I hope you get it. If you don't have it in your accounts, I hope you get it soon. So here it is. This is a GPT that is an article writer, and it wrote an article for me. And for example, if I want this section here, if I feel that this section is too techy or I don't like it a lot, I just highlight it, and then these quotation marks appear that says reply. And when I click on them, ChatGPT automatically pastes this specific section into my chat window. So now I can say, can you rewrite this section for 5th grade, for example, or something like that. And when I send the message, as you can see, it saved me so much time of copying, going back and saying, hey, can you use this section and do this and that, and then paste it. So basically, it's super, super easy. And I really, really love these tiny little improvements and functionalities that we're constantly getting with ChatGPT. So if you have it, let me know how you feel about it when you test it. And if you don't have it, it should drop into your account very, very soon.